it's Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Layle by Mail Fall Traveler's Notebook Kit. So first we will take a look at how I have set up my Traveler's Notebooks for the month of September and October, and then we'll go back and take a look at the contents of the kit. So for September, I am using the Navy Traveler's Notebook, and I have linked the Traveler's Notebooks I'm using as well as the fall kit in the description of the video if you are interested in any of those. So I'm using that beautiful Navy Traveler's Notebook cover, and it's just a really great neutral. When I sat down with the products for this kit, there were kind of some navy accents in here, and I thought it would be really fun to incorporate that Navy Traveler's Notebook. So for September, I'm using the Yellow Door collection from Fancy Pants, and it is just a really cute, just really vibrant, kind of kitschy, kind of 70s vibe to the collection. So I have used a lot of the die cuts to decorate my pockets. And then I am slip covering 2 inserts. So slip covering this insert, and this is kind of my generic, Traveler's Notebook insert that I use for lots of my to-do lists and social media calendars and things. And then I am also using this insert. So this one we also slip cover as part of that kit. This is how I have set up my monthly calendar using some extra pieces left over after I had decorated the pockets and slip covered both of my inserts. So that is the September portion of the kit. Then we move into the October portion of the kit, and oh my goodness, this collection from Pebbles is so stinking cute. It is the Spooky collection. Spooky with 3 O's, so it's like super spooky, kind of spooktacular. Anyhow, I am using the Champagne Traveler's Notebook, and this one I love too. This is another really great neutral that works with all different kinds of things, but one of the reasons that I picked it was because the inside, just that little inside right there, is kind of a gold color, and that thought was really fun with this Spooky collection because the Spooky collection has some gold foil accents in it. So I have taken some of the stickers and some of the paper pieces and decorated my pockets. Then we're also, as part of the kit, make that little pom-pom trim that tucks right in the pocket, and then slip covering 2 inserts again. So one here and then one here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the contents of the kit. So the September portion of the kit has 3 different papers from that Yellow Door collection from Fancy Pants. So this one is a cut apart. We have this one. This little bird kind of reminds me of the bird in the Partridge Family. I just love that. And that yellow color is really fun. And then this particular color, or excuse me, this particular piece of paper. And one of the reasons why I decided to work with this collection for September is the color palette. So it definitely has a little bit of a fall slant to it, but it's nice because I think with the pinks and the fuchsias and the light blues, that's a great representation of the color palette right there. It just kind of is a little bit of a brighter fall palette. So as we transition from August into September, it's a smooth transition. Then we have a package of the Yellow Door die cuts. And oh my goodness, this package doesn't say how many pieces there are, but you see that? There are tons and tons and tons of pieces. So you have lots of pieces there left over. The kits always include 1 insert, and so you have one of the Carpe Diem inserts there that we slip cover. As we move into the October portion of the kit, the October portion of the kit has 3 papers as well. And we have this cut apart paper. I love it with all those little tags and different things. Decorating pockets and slip covering the inserts. And then we have, I forgot to take these out of the package. The really 12 by 12 spooky stickers. So you can get a really good feel for that collection there. And you see all the kind of gold foil accents. Just love those, and lots of stickers left over as well. You have 9 inches of that little pom-pom trim for the little accent that we are making to decorate our pocket there. And then you just have a couple of little tiny pieces. In fact, one I've somehow misplaced on my little desk here. So you have one of 6 different little bullnose clips, and there's also a little white arrow paper clip, but it's misplaced. It's here somewhere. And then wrapping up the kit, we have 18 inches of 2 different washi tapes, and those we are using to slip cover our inserts. So that is the Fall Layle by Mail Traveler's Notebook Kit. Again, I have included links to purchase the kit as well as either or both of the Traveler's Notebooks in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.